Yeah, I have to thank Donald Kelly for this award. And all the great kings that I supported. They were very easy to support in rainy nights in Kilburn. I also want to share this moment with Aoife, Nellie and Rory, the anchors of my life. I want to remember the cast of the original production of Kings of the Kilburn High Road and Jim Nolan. And to Jimmy Murphy and Tom Collins, I want to say it was a privilege and it was a pleasure. And it is very important that these people are there to remind us of people who are easily forgotten. I'd like to say a prayer for all actors here tonight. Obair Aniu. Obair Amórach. Agus obair an lá na dhíg sin a ríist. Gar a míle magadh.